Hey, welcome Bigfoot's Cave. I decided to tinker with one of the three wrenches that George from You Want to Watch sent me. Uh, I've seen quite a few with red paint in them. Don't know if it was done up that way or people just put paint down in the channel just to identify their tools from anybody else. So, if you want to hang out, check it out. Hey, welcome back to the cave. Gonna try to tidy these three up. Those are pinned. That one's pinned. So those will be fun to clean. This one, easy to break down since it's got a inset screw. I thought it was going to be easy. There we go. Make sure I don't lose my spring. Well, time to go play with the other side. Got to tidy it up. We need to tidy up in a little bit in there. Need to get the grime out of there. Clean all this out. Got a lot of red paint still hiding in there. I wonder whether these had red paint on the inside. Thinking about doing it just because there is existing red paint. I think this one's going to get red. That'll get red. Nah, these two won't. Just this one. Sorry, I'm babbling, coming up with ideas. That looks good. No more red paint, no rust. Sorry about that. I had to tuck that in to be able to get in the inside of the ring. That looks good. Tidy this side up. So I did a thing. I'm going to work on the other two at another time. Time to put it together, and we'll take an overall look at it. Nope. Need one with just a little bit narrower of a jawline. Personally, I wonder where I got this one. Quick wipe down, get my grimies off it. Had red paint all up inside, all over the lettering, so I assumed it had red paint in the past. So, all nice and cleaned up. Works great. Little nicks that were up here gone. Lines up good. And there's my, whatever you want to call it. I'm not sure I'd call it a paint job, but I'm learning. Had fun. So, thanks for everybody that subscribes, watches, likes, comments. Everybody have a good day. Be safe out there. Good luck in the hunt.